I'm Travis, your Blizzard basement hero, and welcome to a Blizzard product review video. As you can see, we're finally getting some nice weather here in Wisconsin, and it feels great to be out of the basement and out of the garage to give you today's review. So I have to give a quick shout out to two viewers, Greg and David. They both shouted out to us over social media and video comments to let us know that they wanted to see a video of Blizzard's G-Streak. So Blizzard noticed that and they sent me a pair of G-Streaks. So I hope in this video it answers all your questions. Thank you again, Greg and David. We really appreciate you viewing and of course sending in your comments about which product you wanted to see. So today we're going to take a look at the G-Streaks. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to have a first look at the G-Streaks together. I have not taken them out of the box yet, so let's check them out. So you can see they sent two of them. I'm just going to set one off to the side for now, and let's go ahead and open one of them up. Alright, so inside of course is your 2-year product warranty, your instruction manual, packed inside here, there's a bag of goodies. Set that here for now. Here is the G-Streak. Wow, nice size. I like that. Perfect little size for a mean little mover. Alright, so that was kind of a quick unboxing for you. Here it is. There's the G-Streak. Alright, so let's go back to the packaging here. In the bag of goodies, you get PowerCon compatible power cord, very nice. You also get a gray power connector so that you could create power jump cables to go from one fixture to the next. 3-pin DMX cable, mounting bracket, and they also send you a safety cable. Thanks, Blizzard. Alright, let's take a closer look at the G-Streak fixture itself. As you can see, it really is a nice, compact design. Perfect size for any lighting rig. Inside there is the 50-watt COB LED that's chip on board. Inside the back of the housing here, it's hard to see, but there is an internal fan to keep it cool. And right down here, we saw it briefly before, this is the 4-button LCD menu with the built-in mic for the sound active modes. On the back, we've got all our ins and outs. Here's 3-pin DMX in and out, our PowerCon for power in, and a courtesy outlet for sending power to your next fixture, an on-off switch, and fuse. Let's talk G-Streak features. So starting with the light source, inside here is a 50-watt COB white LED, which means chip on board, so you're going to get a really strong white light source coming right from the circuit board. As far as colors, you have a color wheel inside of here which has 14 colors plus open for white, so essentially a total of 15 colors. It has a gobo wheel. The gobo wheel has 18 gobos, and included is a 2-degree beam angle, so you're going to get a really nice sharp beam. I look forward to checking that out when we get this plugged in. And then also an 8-facet prism, so you can get some really cool effects with your gobos and with that beam. As far as control, you can control this in standalone mode, master slave with some other fixtures, sound active mode using that built-in mic that we saw on the front here. And then of course it's got built-in auto programs and DMX control. And select either 9 or 11 channel operating modes when you're using it in DMX. So that's a bit about the features of the G-Streak. Let's get it plugged in now and check this all out. So I've got the pair of G-streaks set up on a couple sticks of truss here. And I'm gonna leave the camera here now, and I'm using Lucid over there on my MacBook. Lucid is Blizzard's DMX lighting software. So I'm gonna be using that to control the lights, and I'll kind of talk you through what I'm doing over there. So as you can see right now, they are at open gobo and open on the color wheel as well. So we're seeing that nice, super bright 50-watt COB LED and a 2.5 degree super sharp beam. So as you can see, those beams are pretty tight, pretty focused, and that light is pretty bright. So first I'm going to run through the colors on the color wheel.
can almost sing it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs.
So that's a wrap on the review of Blizzard's G Streak. Overall, with its size and super bright 50-watt LED, I'd say this mover is perfect for mobile DJs. If you have any questions about the G Streak, go ahead and feel free to leave them in the comments section right below this video. Again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, click thumbs up. If you didn't, click thumbs down. And be sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss any future Blizzard product review videos. Well, it's time for me to get back outside and enjoy this nice weather we're having. So thanks again for watching. I'm Travis, your Blizzard Basement Hero. I'll see you next time.